Hi, this is Sambasivam, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology. Now we are moving to the next video, which is already we have discussed in the last two previous videos. This is how the working principle has been in the steam power plant. So now I like to share the presentation related to the video before we go into the next set of topic. So this is the basic layout, how this has been done. So as we have discussed earlier, right? So how the four layout of the steam power plant has been working in different conditions, right? So this is about the working principle of a steam power plant. So normally I say that the working principle is now developed by using the four steps. The different color indicates the different stages of liquid, vapor, air, fuel. Like fuel is nothing but cool, and it has been has these are the different kind of categories. They have different color views. So how it has been transferred. So the working principle is normally based on the pulverized coal is spread into the boiler where the pulverized coal is burned into a furnace. So due to heat from the furnace, the water present in the boiler drum changes to the high pressure steam. So from the boiler, this high pressure steam is passed to passed to the superheater. So where it is again heated up to its dryness. So after that, this superheater steam strikes the turbine blades with a high speed, and the turbine blades rotating and starts sorry turbine starts rotating. So at a high speed. So here, the stored potential energy of the steam is converted into an entire mechanical energy. So the generator is coupled with a turbine rotor. As the turbine rotor rotates, the generator also rotates with the same speed, and the mechanical energy of the turbine gets converted into an electrical energy. So the steam hitting the turbine base loses most of the energy and leaves the turbine with a low pressure steam. So the low pressure steam enters into a condenser. The cold water circulates in the condenser from the cooling tower. Here, the low pressure wet steam is converted into an water. So after that, the condensed water in the feed is passed to the economizer, where it gets heated. Upon by the economizer, where it gets heated, and by the economizer, and finally, the feed water enters into a boiler by an feeding a water pump to and repeat this cycle. So the cyclic process has been done. The burn fuel flue gases from the furnace passes through the superheater, economizer, and preheater. So the heated of the flue gases is used to heat the steam in the superheater to its dryness to heat feed water into an economizer. So before entering into the boiler and to heat air from the atmosphere in the air preheated before it enters into the furnace. So the ash from the furnace is transferred to ash handling plant and finally to the ash storage. So this is how the cyclic process has been done. The basic layout has been given in the following picture, which represents how it has been developed and how it has been transferred. So this video is a steam power plant. The basic structure of cooling power plant, how it has been transferred. So this is the entire layout of the steam structure has been developed. So these are most important things how to understand the capabilities and how it has been transferred. So as I like earlier, the energy conversion process is nothing but an so chemical. The first and foremost is we are using is chemical energy. So the chemical energy is nothing but fuel or coal. So once the chemical energy has been, it has been converted to heat energy within the boiler. So the heat energy then uses to rotate the turbine, which is nothing but a mechanical energy. Finally, once the mechanical energy of turbine so rotates, it is attached with the generator. So the generator also rotates at the same speed, which results in an electrical energy. So the phase conversion of energy, similar by the visual picture shows the chemical energy is transferred into heat, heat is transferred into mechanical, and it has been transferred into electrical. This is how the stage has been developed. So the advantage of this is the life of the plant is more compared to diesel power plant. Repair and maintenance cost is low when compared to diesel power plant. Initial cost is less compared to nuclear power plant. Suitable for very loading conditions. No radioactive harmful wastes are produced. Unskilled operators can operate the plant. The power generation does not depend on the water storage. There is no transmission losses as they are located near the load centers. And similarly, there is a disadvantages. They are less efficient and the diesel power plant. Starting and bringing into service takes more time. Cooling water requires more. Space requires more. Storage required for the fuel is more. Hash handling is the big problems. No economical areas but removes. So the manpower is needed and large capital cost. This is something about the assessment pre-CAD has been given by in the session. Hope everybody's understood. I think bye bye. So